Module 3, altering table schema operations. Section 1, uh, adding columns to a table. So in module 3, we will be learning how to add column in a table, modify table column in a table, and how to delete columns in a table, and how to update the records in a table. So firstly, in section 1, I am covering how to add columns to a table. So in module 2, we have created a table, amp info table, which have the following schema: amp number, first name, last name, state, and country. Now suppose our manager comes with a new requirement, and he wants us to add the following columns, like he want zip code to be added at the last position, that is after country in this table, and age after last name, mobile number after last name, and department and designation at last, and employee code at first position. Okay, so these are the new requirements which our manager can ask to do. So in that case, we should know the alter table command, and that these things we can easily do with the help of alter table command. So this is the syntax for alter table command. Alter table, it will be come as it is, whatever is in bold. And table name, it could be any table name, so in our case it would be amp info. Then add is the SQL keyword, add what we want to add, column. So here you will give new column name and its definition, and here you give position first and after. So this is optional. If position is specified, you can use these keywords. Otherwise, the new column will be added at the last. So in our case, if we won't provide any first and after keyword, so new column will get add after country. Okay, so whatever is the last column. So we can add single column as well as we can add multiple columns uh, using alter command. So if you want to add multiple columns using alter table command, so suppose you want to add two columns, then two times you have to give add have to use add keyword in the alter table command. If you want to add three columns, then three times you will repeat add command, and you will give column name and column definition. So like this you can add multiple tables in the multiple columns in a table. So let's do this uh, exercise in the MySQL workbench so that you learn this command, alter table command, more clearly. So let's suppose first of all we add zip code. Okay, so zip code data type is varchar, and it should be added at the last position. So for this we can write our command like this: alter table. So I am writing the requirement wise query over here, and that we will execute in the SQL. Alter table. Here table name is amp info. Okay, so first requirement is we want to add which column? We want to add column zip code. Okay, zip code, right? And zip code, and its data type is varchar 10. So this is its data type. This complete makes it column definitions. Okay, and where we want to add this at last. So by default, if you won't specify any keyword first and after, then column will be added at the last position. So here are not using any keyword first and last. So my command is completed. Alter table, table name, add and column, and at the end I will give semicolon. Okay, so this is the solution of first requirement. Now, and first requirement is adding column zip code. Okay, then second requirement is as age after last name. So we can write the command like this: Okay, I'm copying this. So here, this is the solution for the second requirement 2. So here, alter table amp info, instead of zip code I will give what, what's the requirement, age. Okay, I will give age, and that should come after first name. Okay, and age data type is int, so I'm changing it int, and it should come after last name. So I will, here I will use the keyword after what, last name. Okay, so this is the column name after which this age column get added, and semicolon, right? And third is the, we want to add uh, mobile number after last name. So since we want to add mobile number after last name, so again it will be like this, or here, this we can do by modifying in this second query as well, or we can write separate query this. Okay, so alter, I'm copying this, the same command over here, alter table and info, and this time I want to add what, I want to add mobile number after last name. Okay, so mobile, column name is mobile, and its data type is varchar 10. Okay, so after last, rest will be same though. So this is the solution for third. And my third requirement is, sorry, yes, zip code we have added. Fourth requirement is, I want to add department and designation at the last position. So here we can do this task with the help of multiple columns command, and this is the multiple column command. So I can do like this. Let me copy this. Okay, so this time I want to add multiple column at the last position. So first, in first add, my first is department. Okay, department, varchar, what's the type, it's varchar is 10. Okay, and next time again I want to add another column, so I will separate it with comma. Let me copy this. Next is designation, right, designation. So here I am changing it, designation, varchar 10. And since I want to add these columns at the last, so I need no need to specify any position, and at the end I am giving semicolon. So this is the syntax for adding multiple columns, right? And next is, last requirement is, we want to add amp code at the first position, at the very beginning. Okay, so that we can do uh, like this. Again I, let me give this command, copy this command. Okay, now alter table amp info, add amp code, its where type is 5. Okay, so and this we want to add at first position, so we need to give first keyword, because by default the position of adding the column is last. So this is how we have fulfilled all the requirements which are given to us by manager. So let's execute this query in the MySQL workbench. So I'm opening my SQL workbench. So here let us check whether uh, our table is present or not. Show tables. Okay, and this is amp info table is there. Let us check the existing structure. Describe amp info. Okay, Yeah, so we need to add new columns in this table. Okay, so let us add new column and execute query one by one. So this is the first query, adding column zip code. So I'm copying it, and this alter table amp info add zip code varchar 10, and this we want to add at the last position. So let's execute this. So see, zero row affected and the column is successfully added. We can check it by structure by this. See, the new column zip code has been added at the last. Okay, and next is we want to add mobile number after last name. Okay, see, so this is my second command, add alter table amp info add mobile number at the after last name. So this time this mobile number won't be get added at last position, it would be added after last name. So let's run this. Yeah, query is completed, zero rows affected. Let's check the schema by describe amp info command. See, this mobile number is added after last name. Okay, next is we want to add this department mobile is added. Okay, age, we forgot to add age, so let's add the age. We want to add age after last name. Okay, so here I am executing the query again, alter table amp info add age int after last name. Let's execute this. So this also added successfully. So we have fulfilled the three requirements which are given to us. Yeah, age is added after last name. Then our fourth requirement is adding department and designations at the department and designation. What's the position at the last? Okay, so I am copying it now. So this time I am using add command with multiple columns. Okay, so what's the problem over here? Okay, we forgot to use syntax. Okay, alter table amp info add, where is my command? uh, Designation and this, sorry. So yeah, alter table, let some mistake in copy paste, let me add paste here over here. Yeah, alter table amp info add department varchar 10 and add designation varchar 10. So these two columns I want to add at the last position, so I'm using uh, alter table command with multiple column options. So let's execute this, and let's check the structure. Yes, yes. So these department and designation both are added at the last position. So so based on our requirement, we can use multiple column option or single column option with alter command. And the last requirement is to add amp code at the first position of data type varchar 5. So let's execute this. Yes. So it's get it is successfully added at the first position. Let's check the structure again. See, so all the requirements have been fulfilled. Amp code is added at the first position, age and mobile are added after last name, and zip code is added after country, and department and designation are added at the last position. That's what our manager asked us to do in the amp info table. So with this I am completing this section. So let's summarize it. In this section we learn how to add single column or multiple columns in a table with alter table command. Also we learn how to add column at first position, or how to add column after any specific column, and how to add column after last column. So this is all about this section. In next section we will be learning how to modify the columns. Suppose our manager asks us to change the name of the amp code to e code, so that's come under modify column. So that we will be learning in the next section. So till then you practice this, and if any doubt, message me. Thank you. Bye bye.